Welcome to Amrin's Easy Recipes. Today I'll be making a very easy microwave Nutella cake that you can make. To make this, you will need Nutella, eggs, flour, salt, oil, and baking powder. So first I'm going to crack 2 eggs into a bowl and add a pinch of salt. I'm going to add a pinch of salt. I'm going to whisk this in. Now I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of Nutella. Since the Nutella is quite sticky, you might want to use another utensil to help you scrape it out. Now you're going to whisk this thoroughly. You will get a beautiful dark brown color. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of flour and a half teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to whisk this thoroughly. Lastly, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of oil. The cake batter is ready. I'm going to put this into a pie pan. Now I'm going to microwave this for 2 minutes and check on it. Make sure you stay close to the microwave so you can check on the cake. After 2 minutes, ask an adult to help you take the cake out of the microwave. I'm going to check on the cake with a toothpick to see if it's ready. Looks like it's ready. And voila! We have our Nutella cake. I hope you enjoyed this recipe at home. If you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!